Most people play the game of money their entire lives without realizing they're trapped in the tutorial. You're grinding for every dollar, fighting a boss who refuses to give you a raise, and wondering why the finish line keeps moving further away. The truth is that wealth isn't a straight line. It's a series of 4 secret levels that fundamentally change the rules of your reality once you unlock them. If you're still checking your bank account with a sense of dread, you haven't reached level 1. Level 1 is the survival barrier, $1,000 to $10,000. This is the hardest level because you are fighting millions of years of evolutionary programming. Your brain is wired for temporal discounting, which makes a $50 dinner tonight feel more valuable than a $1 million portfolio decades from now. At this stage, every financial decision is filtered through fear. But once you hit $10,000, something magical happens to your biology. Your cortisol levels drop. That check engine light on your dashboard stops being a life-altering disaster and becomes a mild inconvenience. You've bought yourself breathing room, and for the first time, you can stop playing defense and start looking at the scoreboard. Level 2 is the momentum threshold, $20,000 to $50,000. At level 2, you unlock walking away money. You aren't rich yet, but you are officially dangerous to the status quo because you have the financial runway to say no to a toxic boss or a dead-end career. This is the level where you finally get a teammate. If you have $50,000 invested, that capital is generating roughly $4,000 a year in passive growth, doing nearly 2/3 of the work that a $500 monthly contribution does. Your money is finally moved out of the savings category and into the employee category. Level 3, escape velocity, $100,000 to $250,000. Level 3 is where the math becomes unfair. This is the first major tipping point where compound interest stops being a theory and becomes a dominant force. It might take you 8 years to hit $100,000, but it only takes 5 more years to double it to $200,000. However, this level contains the most dangerous boss, the illusion of arrival. You see your portfolio jump by thousands in a single day, and your brain tells you that you've made it. Many people sabotage themselves here by getting clever with individual stocks or inflating their lifestyle with a $900 truck payment, effectively deleting years of compounding. Level 4 is capital ownership, $1 million plus. Level 4 is the final transformation. You have officially transitioned from someone who trades time for money into someone who owns capital that generates a lifestyle. At this stage, a 7% return on $1 million generates $70,000 a year, more than the median American household earns through 2,000 hours of annual labor. You stop being a saver and become a steward of wealth. Your relationship with time changes. You realize your hours are more valuable than your immediate earning potential, and you start making decisions based on fulfillment rather than survival. Real wealth isn't about the car in the driveway or the label on your shirt. It is about optionality. It's the freedom to wake up and decide what you want to do instead of what you have to do. Stop treading water in the tutorial. Focus with clinical intensity on unlocking level 1, because once the boulder starts rolling downhill, the math eventually does the work for you. If you're ready to stop being a financial sleepwalker and start building a foundation that actually moves the needle, hit the subscribe button and start your payday routine today.